is a Japanese old house, 50 years old, and let's take a tour. Hi, Charlie. So this is the genkan or entrance. Aris. And here's the hallway. The kitchen. And going into the hallway restroom with a very cute sink made by the renter. A beautiful rice field view from every direction. And here is the inside garden area that you can view from this very relaxing chair. And then going back to the first room, the entrance room, guest room. Another big room, and the room she's using as her bedroom now faces out to a beautiful rice field with a little forest surrounding her house. Hi, Charlie. And here's the end of the hallway. There's the garden and another guest room. And then this will be her master bedroom. She's working on it right now. There's a lot to improve upon and insulate. This is her view from her windows. It's her garage, her little garden. She's got some goldfish or koi in her little pond there. This is all the same house. Here is her breakfast table.
Because it's real loud. Oh, it just helps keep the...
And the ceiling.
It's a water pump.
Are you ready?
Yep.
I don't know how this is gonna go. What is this? Charlie doesn't
He went right underneath her.
even care.
She didn't try to scratch you or anything.
Look at this. Look at the kitty cat.
Here,
Charlie.
here, kitty, kitty,
Oh,
kitty,
she's so much
kitty,
bigger.
kitty, here, kitty, 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 kitty. Here,
We're gonna let you guys feel it out. Charlie's like, I understand.
That's it. That's it. I'm gone. I'm out.
your
I'm
territory.
out.
Pinky, are you gonna
That is not a dog. That's a
My
cat.
goodness, that is a puffy cat.
She's all. I'm gonna pretend like I'm a haunted cat from Halloween. Inspecting the furniture, ignoring the cat.
This is a good lantern.
Inspecting the furniture, ignoring the cat. Inspecting. Where's the grass I need to pee on? following him.
Yeah, y'all are okay with it. I'll let them figure
Yeah.
their lives out.
Yeah.
You wanna meet the dog?
No.
Nikki's.
Where can I escape?
Yeah, kitty. I think Moto's first time to see.
Can you see them?
These big trees are persimmons.
Oh, okay.
That's persimmon. There's another small one. There's a big one. The one outside of the corner of my house.
Here, fishy, 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 fishy. Paku, 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 paku,
Here,
paku.
fishy, 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 fishy. Here, fishy, 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 fishy.
He's a runt. How many are in there? Three? Cute.
I was telling your mom this was, I got this rain gutter from the Sunita show. Like, it's a lot. It's fine if you get your butt all the way back in the steam. Yeah, there you go.
Nice.
Hey, camping.
Oh, yeah.
This is the best place to go camping, actually.
I know.